All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:20 in the morning of June 24th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. I'm about to enter in the risk range levels that I usually pay attention to for trading. And this is usually done before I start the video, but today I figured I'd just go ahead and do it with the video on. So, see the bottom end of the risk range here. On the 10-year is 3.02, and the top end of the risk range is 3.54. I don't think that changed, but I'll enter it in anyway. Let's go to the 2-year. Got 2.87 at the low end of the range, 2.87, and then 3.50 on the high end. S&P is getting close to the top end of its range. So let's see, the range moved a little bit higher today, so 38.61, and the bottom end of that is 36.08. My poor graphics card is having a hard time keeping up. I'm gonna have to update my graphics card. All right, so let's see, 3861, 3861, and 3608. All right, and the NASDAQ, 11428. 0405. I just don't mess with the Russell 2000. I know I should, but I just don't. Let's see, the VIX. Where are we on the VIX? 2710. The bottom end of the VIX came up a little bit. 0. And then the top end of the VIX is coming down a little bit, 3.71. All right. The dollar, 102.75. The top end is 106.02. West Texas, yeah, we're getting a nice. I did some buying on oil here in the past few days, past 3 days. It's come down into a support level. Now this could be a long-term top. This 8th of January price. This could be the start of the rollover, but it's not going to go, straight down. So I expect to see a bounce here. We'll see how high it goes. So let's see, West Texas. Oh, the low end of the range went down on West Texas. I might take profits. I'm going to take some profits today on oil. The top end of the range is 113.25. Yeah. So the top end of the range is coming down. The bottom end of the range is coming down. I'm going to take some profits on oil today. Not all profit, but I'm not going to close my position entirely, but yeah, I'm going to start taking some profits there. Look at natural gas, 5.74. It's low end. Yeah, the low end of natural gas is coming down. All right, 7.78. So we ought to be getting some relief in inflation if energy prices are going to finally start to settle back down. Gold, 1802 on the low end. The high end, 1873. And then Amazon, let's see, Amazon 114 and 99 on the low end. Tesla 737 on the high end, and on the low end is 621. Okay. Well, yeah, those are the risk ranges for the day. So, yeah, even though we are getting a little bit of a rally here, well, I don't want to say a rally, I mean, but we're moving, we made this big down move right here. Let's see, in the matter of just 3 days, it went down 10%, and then another additional 2 more percent. So between the 9th of June and the 16th of June, the NASDAQ shed 12, almost 13%. And so now, it's this is the way that it works. It goes up and then it goes down, and it goes down and it goes up, and so on and so on. So now in the past, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days, we've seen a 6.58% relief rally. And it's getting close to the top end of its ranges, so it's getting time to start looking at shorting again for the next leg down. Now, I don't know where the next leg down is going. I don't know. It could be, just there and then up, or it could go way down. Who knows, But right now, it's just time to get into the rhythm and start selling again for the next leg down. I don't know. That might be mid-July by the time that happens. We'll see. Let's see. Looks like 10-year, both the 10-year and the 2-year, are trying to bang out a bottom right there and then move higher. So it's going to put a little bit of pressure on stocks, higher interest rates. Let's see. Let's look at the indicator here real quick. Let's look at the 10-year minus the 2-year. So that the 10-year, 2-year spread is closing. It's now 3.5 points away from going negative. That's not a good forecast for the economy. So, what the market does in the meantime, though, is anybody's guess. I mean, the general trend, it's pretty easy to spot. The general trend here is to the downside. It's just a matter of selling high, right? So it looks to me like we're getting into a spot where it'll roll over again, but I'm just going by what the numbers tell me. When I use feelings and so forth, what it looks like, or what it feels like, so on and so on. I'm not trading according to a process anymore. I'm trading according to my feelings, which feelings are like farts. You have your feelings, you experience them, then they go away. And that's not how to trade. The way to trade is through a systematic process approach. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.